Welcome back. Now, when you are doing a presentation, you may want an individual to be able to use their mobile device to scan a QR code to go to your website to give you their contact details. And you can place in the QR code into your slide presentation. What we're going to do is add in a new slide. What we're then going to do is we're going to go to the Insert menu. We're then going to click on Get Add-ins. We get to the add-in section, we're going to search for a QR code generator. And you can choose the one that you feel most comfortable with. We're going to add in QR for Office and click Add. We're then going to click Continue. What you're going to see on your right side menu is you're going to see that you can direct the QR code to send the individual that scans it where you want it to go. So you can write in a specific URL. You can change the color, and you can change the size. Once you have the QR code where you want it to be, you can then click Insert. And your QR code will then be scannable inside of your PowerPoint presentation. And you'll want to give your slide a name so that it will be reusable in other presentations by using the Reuse Slides area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.